Assalamualaikum my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NFS Army School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Aided University School, Barnship. Today I am going to take an English first paper class for class 80 students. Out of this topic, Unit-6, Lesson 6 discussions. So let's see our today's class. Class 8, subject English first paper, topic Unit-6, Lesson 8 discussion, term annual. Lecture 9, Example 7, Teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date. Okay, my dear students, let's see our today's class. Class 8, Unit 6, Lesson 8, The Destinations. Annual term, Lecture 9. So let's read the passage, read the text and answer questions 1 and 2. So Mita looked around and saw a garden of trees and flowers welcoming her. There was a small fountain at the middle of the garden, bringing in cool breeze. Mita loved the place. Mita brought a suitcase as well as a piece of carry-on luggage. She carried her luggage to the elevator and pressed a button that said 6. Her uncle's apartment was on the 7th floor. It was a nicely done 2-bedroom apartment. Mita and Jara were going to share the same room. It was nearly 8 p.m. When they all got settled, they finished dinner and started to plan for the next day. Mita read about the floating market in the internet and wanted to see one. Well, then you have to wake up very early tomorrow. The market starts early in the morning and is over before noon. We're going to the Dhaka floating market tomorrow, said Mr. Islam. Wow, cried out Mita and Jara together. Thank you, uncle. Thank you, dad. Okay. Then question number 1. Let's choose the best answer, correct answer. Number 1, the word middle in line 2 of the text means the lower position, the central position, the bottom position, the upper position. Answer will be the center position. The word cool in line 2 of the text means pleasing cold, heavy cold, very hot. So cool means pleasing cold. The word breeze in line 2 of the text means stormy wind, strong wind, gentle wind, all of the above. So breeze means gentle wind. Mita and Jara are dashed to go to the floating market. Pleased, displeased, unhappy, afraid. So they were pleased. In which floor does Mita's uncle live? 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. So Mita's uncle lived in 7th floor. Next one. The apartment consists of 2 kitchen, bathrooms, drawings and bedrooms. The apartment consists of 2 bedrooms. The word dinner means principal meal of the day, a snack of the day, middle meal of the day, all of the day. So dinner means principal meal of the day. The word wake means rise from bed, rise from phone, rise from sleep, rise from down to upward, all of the above. The word wake means rise from sleep. How is the scenery of the garden? Fascinating, vague, boring, unpleasant. Answer is fascinating. When does the market break up? At noon, in the afternoon, before evening. So the market breaks up before noon. So my dear students, your SW will be SW 7. Submit on Saturday. Unit 6, Lesson 8, question answer. Answer the following questions. A. What was at the middle of the garden? Number B. Where was the fountain? Number C. What did Mita bring with her? Number D. What did Mita love? So that's all for today, my dear students. Do your SW at home and submit on Saturday. Thanks for watching this video. Keep practicing at home. Abide with parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.